everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, my daughter Ava and I, we are going to make something that is going to be really fun for kids. We are going to be making Puffy Sidewalk chalk paint, right?
Yeah, and these are food coloring.
Yep, food coloring. And the really cool thing about it is you only need 3 ingredients, I guess you could say. What you need is flour, shaving cream,
Shaving cream? Why do you make that?
Because that's what you need. Should I shave you?
No!
No? And food coloring. And of course water and some of these nifty little bottles. And I got these bottles from Amazon and I ordered them yesterday and they arrived this morning. So it was really fast. So, all right. Oh, and the other thing you're gonna want is you are gonna wanna get some gallon-sized Ziploc freezer bags because this is what you're gonna use to mix everything together, right? Yeah. All right, should we get started?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. So.
Let's open that up. I already opened this up. It is this.
Yep, food coloring.
Food coloring.
There's one for you.
I had to open one.
And one for me. Okay. What color are you gonna do?
And this one.
You're gonna do pink? I'm gonna do blue. All right, so what you first need to do you wanna open your bag for mom? Yep, so just open your bag, put your bag open like this.
You put it in?
No.
Like, you open it?
Not yet. Hold on.
I know.
Okay, so just open your bag for mom just like this. No, your bag. I'm just showing you how to do it with my bag. So open your bag just like that. And we're gonna take 1 cup of flour.
Why did you put it in a bag?
Well, how else am I gonna get it? You crazy girl.
You spilled a little bit.
I'm sure I did. Okay, so we need 1 cup of flour.
Mix this up.
Well, hold on.
I'm mixing this up.
I see that.
There.
So we need 1 cup of flour, and then I have a big thing of water here, and we need 1 cup of water. So I need you to really be careful, okay? We need 1 cup of water. All right, so that's half a cup. Hold on. Not quite.
Sounds like a fart.
What? What are you, silly? My arm is getting tired.
Wanna do it?
No,
Why?
because it's too heavy for you. Okay, hold on, not yet. Okay, so hold the bag like this. Can you hold the bag? Nope, we still gotta keep it open. And then it says that we need half a cup of shaving cream. And I'm not gonna measure the shaving cream. I'm just going to put the shaving cream in until I think that it's half a cup. And this is what's going to make it nice and fluffy. Sure. Here. Yep, so just, you gotta push a little harder. Okay.
It got so hard.
Yeah.
Sounds
There we
like
go.
A pea. Sounds like a pea.
Ava, are you being inappropriate again?
No.
No? Okay, so we have that, and now here's now you gotta be very careful with this, okay?
Okay.
Now we need 10 drops, just 10 drops of food coloring.
Okay.
So don't squeeze it too hard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. So we have,
We're gonna mix it.
yeah, but hold on.
Yeah, mixing.
Now we're gonna wanna take all the air Okay, I'm back.
Feels
So
nice.
my camera shut off again, and it really annoys me because I'm like, why does my camera keep freaking shutting off? And I finally figured out why it's doing it. So I have it set up so that I can just push a button on my phone for remote shooting, and I finally figured it out. So my phone, it auto locks after 5 minutes. So that's why. So when it auto locks, it shuts my camera off. So I finally fixed it. So hopefully it better not happen again. Anyways, so I don't know how much we missed, but anyways, my daughter, she added 10 drops of food coloring, and we added half a cup of shaving cream into this. And she's just been mixing, and she's just trying to get any lumps of flour. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do mine. I'm gonna do it in blue. So again, we're gonna do the 1 cup of flour. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of water. And then we need half a cup of shaving cream. And like I said, I don't know when my camera shut off, so the shaving cream just gives it its poofiness. And then we need 10 drops of the food coloring. So let's see, should we count?
Blue?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay,
This is feeling
and then
super good.
I'm just gonna try to get as much air out as I can.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna mix.
You can see the wet stuff still.
Yeah.
Now this is pink. This is made to be pink.
Yeah, that's pink.
Yeah, one time you mix it up with wet, it's turned pink.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're mixing that. All right, we're gonna do a couple more colors, and then we'll meet you outside, and she can show you how she's gonna use it, and she'll go ahead and she'll color, and we'll see how it works. All right, see you in a bit. All right, we're back. Before we go outside, I actually forgot that we should probably show you how to put them into our containers, right?
Yes.
Wow, you're really having fun mixing that one, aren't you? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut a little corner off of each of these bags. Got my little scissors. No,
Why?
because I don't trust you.
I am first grade.
That means you're a big girl, right? I don't even trust myself to do this, Ava. Watch me make a huge mess. I don't even trust myself. Oh, I'm gonna make a huge mess. I just know it. Ah! See, Mom can barely do it.
Let's try.
Well, hold on. I can barely do it myself. Look, I'm already making a mess. It's because I'm not very good at this, Ava. See, look at Mom's making a big old mess. Ugh.
It's gross. Don't taste this.
Okay, I think maybe I
kidding.
kind of got it. Ah! Alright, I think I kind of figured it out a little bit. Okay,
Okay, now that's enough, Mom.
is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can save one tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Look at it, it goes.
I know, I see.
It's like that chair is
Alright.
like moving and now
And then
stop.
I'm just gonna wipe up the extra. So yeah, that's basically how you would just put it in. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put the rest of these
Okay.
in the bottles, and we'll go outside and we'll let her
Mama, give me the scissors.
And we'll let her have at it and play. All right, we'll see you out there.
The scissors. We can call it vlog too.
Yeah. All right, Ava's outside and she's ready to try the paint. Or the chalk paint. What are you gonna draw?
You.
You're gonna draw me, okay.
And this is not looking very well.
I think what you do is, can I see it? I think you can actually do it kind of like this, where you can go like this. I don't know if you can see. Where you can go, see? And then you can do, see, and that's where it gets kind of clogged. And I have a, I have a toothpick here to kind of unclog it, because it does get kind of clogged from the flour.
I broke my ankle.
Oh, yeah, she broke her ankle.
Where's that, flour?
Yeah, flour. Here you go.
Okay.
Ava. Everybody, well, thank you so much for watching, and whoa, am I still like totally zoomed in? Whew, I am. All right, well, that was our DIY Puffy Sidewalk chalk paint. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.